Three subcontractor quotations, 6-line items each. We need to choose out of three, one winner. I let the AI figure it out end to end. It take like maximum 3, 4, 5 minutes. It's going to do everything for you. Quickly, I'm going to switch to the screen. I will show you what I'm going to do. So you can see in the screen three quotations, right? A, B, C from three companies. Let me open the file and then I'm going to show you what it is there. Right, this is the quotation from company A, AI Noor MEP Contracting LLC. Right, I'm not gonna go deep into the details. Right, item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will have what is the item, how many, what's the unit rate and total. Right. So, and this is from company A. This is from company B. This is sample data, guys. You can like use your own data. This is from company B, the quotation, and then this is from company C, right? These are the three quotations that we have received from three companies. If you are a senior QS, it must be in your desk, right? So what you need to do is you need to choose one, right? There are a lot of works you need to do. I let the AI to figure it out end to end, and then it will give you the beautiful report with some graphs also. They have the capability to create a dashboard also. That's what I'm going to show you today. Right. I think this is clear. Let me close this one. And then what I'm going to complete here is, if you see the screen, this is what I'm going to tell the AI agent to perform. Right. There are three quotation files in this file. So it will go and read. I need you to complete the following steps automatically in order. It will confirm every step once it completes. We can see it will read all your quotations, right? This is the full analysis and comparison that we need to do, right? I have given like what they need to do. For example, let me compare the rates and totals, identify which company is cheapest per item, identify which company is most expensive per item, flag any items that are missing from any quotations, calculate variance percentage between highest and lower rate for each item, identify overall lowest compliant, and right, these are the analysis I want the AI agent to do. Step 3, I'm instructing the AI agent create a formatted Excel file. So this is I have already installed, like don't worry about this one. Then final Excel workbook should be saved in this folder. So I have the folder. Now you can see it's empty. Okay. So now see, it is empty. Output folder, you can see this is empty. Once the AI agent run end to end, there will be a file will be written here. I will show you. And then there is an automated email also will be sent to the mail, right? That's what you are going to see. Okay. Output folder is empty now. So now let's come back to the point. Right. And then this is the step 3. Okay. Then I instruct the AI agent to create 4 sheets in my Excel workbook that he's going to return the output folder. One is a comparison matrix. I have given the sheet name, title row, what it should be, blah, blah, all those things. Right. And then this is the like instructions. So I'm not going to go deep into that one. I want you to see the final output. Sheet 2, award recommendation. Right. Sheet 3, summary dashboard. Sheet 4, a visual chart. Right. These are the 4 sheets. You're going to get it in within 2 to 3 minutes by an AI agent, guys. Let's think about if you have 3-4 quotations from different companies, how long it will take you to get that file, read that file, analysis, make the report, make the dashboard, and then find the optimal quotation for the business, right? See how AI it's figuring out. Maybe there are quotations in your table that you can use it straight away. So all of that's I'm going to give it for the emails, like what's the task he has to the AI agent has to perform, and then what's the output he has to return, where, right, directives, sending mail, all those tasks it should execute step by step. So now I think you are clear, right? I have 3 files in my folder, quotations file. My output file is empty. I'm going to show you again. output file is C, output directory is empty. I want you to, I want the AI agent to be write the output here. I'm not going to do anything. I have placed the quotations, those three companies quotations for the AI agent to look at it and work. It should go to my folder, find the folder, find the file, right? It should read and do all these analysis, right? That's what my instruction. Now let me start the work. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to give this prompt. It will write the output and then it will send the mail also. You have to stay with the video and I want you to see the final output. So now let me go to my AI agent. This is guy from a company called Anthropic, right? Claude. Anyone needs to install in your Windows or Mac PC. If you need any help, it's a paid version. You need to pay $20 a month. I will help you. Now that's ready for my work. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell him to do everything for me. So stay with me for 2-3 minutes. I think this would 183 lines. Let me hit that one. Okay. So 3 company quotations that it's going to do end to end, then it will give you a nice report and then it's going to send you an email to your boss also. You don't need to even send a mail also. There is no work for you. So now step 1 completed, all 3 codes read successfully. Step 2 analysis, right? Here's the full comparison. Step 2 complete. Step 3, it's going to pass this step 3. See guys, it's spotted like company A missing item 6, company Z missing item 4, compliant bits. Only company B includes all 6 item. Recommendation, award to company B, Gulfstar Technical Services at AED 2007, like 210,000 dirham as low as fully complete bits. Step 2 complete. I want you to stay like 2 minutes and then I want you to see the output. If you are a QS now, you will see how you can tackle using an AI for your subcontractor quotations to figure it out. Guys, again, AI will do the job. It will accelerate your work, but domain knowledge is very important. You need to study, okay? What's the domain? What's the subcontractor quotations? What's in there? How the business works, right? All of those things you should study. But you need to use AI to accelerate your work, right? So at the end, you need to validate whether it's right or wrong. There's another separate thing, full automation. It's the AI agent. Sometimes has been already been validated by top technical architects, and then they can be used for the business without a validation also. That's the end-to-end AGI part. Now it's happening, but right now human validation is a must anyway. AI can make mistakes. Be mindful, right? So first thing, you want to understand the domain, then only keep in mind you can use AI to accelerate your work. For example, let's say this company 3 quotations, you need to get that quotations, analyze, right, and then make this report, all these dashboards and chart. It will take weeks, guys, but you can do it in 5 minutes, and then the automated email also will be sent it to the relevant project manager or your boss or whatever it is. It's amazing, but the problem, before you send, the human validation must be there right now. So keep in mind, AI can only replace your work for now. AI can accelerate your work, not the replacement. So it takes 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Then going forward, guys, we will be exploring some more AI tools like Google released Gamma 4, amazing AI model. We can have Cursor, we can have GitHub Copilot. Going forward, I'm going to right? Show you different AI models for your different works. Kindly subscribe the YouTube channel to get the notifications. So it takes 3 minutes and 24 seconds. So the step 2 complete. So there are another 2 steps is there. What it's going to do is it needs to create the file and then write it to my folder, output folder, summary dashboard, like these all 4 sheets. And then finally step 4, it should send the mail to my boss also, right? That's the thing it's gonna do. Now the heavier part is it's performing. Maybe I think 4 minutes, it will take maximum 1.5 minutes. That's all. Maybe 100 more seconds, then the entire job will be done. So guys, somebody asked me today, like, what's the difference between like the one we are using ChatGPT and different this one. This is, guys, this is AI agent, right? This can execute task. It's not a conversational type. It go to your folder, it read, it will do all this analysis. See, it runs all the Python script. Do you want to create a builder? Right. Step 3, it's gonna do now. It's building the Excel report, and then it's gonna create all these 4 sheets, and then it's gonna save you in your folder. Right. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Again, these are the things will happen on the back end, right? For the experiment demo, I'm showing you, but when you go to a workplace enterprise, when you buy this tool or integrate in your system, you won't see this one. There will be a nice boxes there. You need to put this one, click the box, click the button, that's it. Everything will be done end to end behind the scene. Now step 3 completed, right? It runs the Python script. The folder should be there. The final output should be there in our folder. Now it's going to ask me to send the email. Step 4. See guys, I'm going to show you, right? There is no email right now. Okay. See, there is no email right now. Let me open the email. I have instructed the AI agent to send. Okay. Think this is working. Do you want to proceed? So now see, there is no email, guys. Now you will, in a minute, you will see there is a new email. Okay. That's the final part it's doing. I'm going to give the approval. 7.5K tokens, 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Connecting to Gmail SMTP server. Email sent to Ursat nexai. Subject this one, right? Done. Okay, complete bit. It takes 6 minutes and 8 seconds, guys, to perform this task end to end. Now I'm going to show you the output. Okay, so now let's go to the output folder. It was empty. Now you will see a file here. Okay. Subcontractor comparison matrix. Let me open that one. You will see how beautiful is this, right? Think about, guys, if you want to prepare a report like this, get the quotation, understand each quotations, analyze it step by step, line by line, right? It's some container metrics. Do you want to use the recovery matches? Let me click yes. Okay. Right. Let me close this one for now. Let me close this one. Okay. Comparison matrix, guys. See, if you prepare Excel by understanding these 3, 4, like analyzing all these quotations, prepare this and send an email, I let you figure out normally how it takes for you, right? For all these past years. Now, 6 minutes, done. So this is the subcontractor tender comparison matrix, company A, company B, company C, lowest rate, variance, status. Okay, this is one sheet. Second one, award recommendation. See, the project details, title, company A, B, this one, right? Anybody wants this output, like just put it in the comment. I can send you for review. These are sample data, so you can use it for your real data once you are familiar with this tool. Okay, then third one, summary. See, summary dashboard. It can create the graph also, guys. Chart, right? So if see all the outputs are ready, right? Then now I have already instructed to send a mail also. I show you that there wasn't any mail. Now, if I go to my mail, if I refresh it, there should be a mail. See, there is a new mail, subcontractor comparison matrix. If I open that one, commercial tower, Dubai, right? Summary of findings, company A, company B, recommendation, company B, Gulfstar Technical Services recommended for the award at AED 210,150, blah, blah, all those things, right? And then it attached our file also, the output. Done. Guys. AI agent has completed the work in 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Total some subcontractor quotations has been analyzed, finalized, made the report, send the email. Done. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the thank you for joining the video today.